Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on a low-end PC. First, let's dive into optimizing your in-game settings. You'll want to prioritize performance by lowering your screen resolution and disabling demanding graphical features like shadows and anti-aliasing. Also, ensure your graphics drivers are up to date for the best compatibility and performance. Finally, close any background applications to free up valuable system resources. Now, let's get specific with in-game settings. For a significant boost, set your 3D resolution to a lower percentage, perhaps between 50 and 75%. Most visual quality presets should be set to low or off. Disabling V-Sync is crucial for reducing input lag, and limiting your frame rate to 60 frames per second can provide a more stable experience on less powerful hardware. Beyond in-game adjustments, system-level optimizations are key. Change your Windows power options to high performance to ensure your PC is giving its all. Disable the game bar and background recording features in Windows settings, as these can consume resources. Regularly cleaning temporary files and defragmenting your hard drive can also help. If possible, upgrading your RAM to 8 GB will significantly improve overall system responsiveness. For advanced users, experimenting with a custom resolution can offer a good balance between visual clarity and performance. If you're still using a traditional hard drive, upgrading to a solid-state drive will drastically reduce loading times. Proper cooling is also vital to prevent your PC from slowing down due to overheating. While third-party optimization tools exist, always use them with caution and from reputable sources.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.